In this exercise, we are going to merge the fire with the smoke, and we are going to learn to animate each. If you look at your screen when I hit play, you can see that the fire and the smoke are moving. This is a very simple animation. There's only 50 frames, so you're not going to get a lot of play. About 1.5 seconds is all, but you can definitely see that it is animated. So let's try this together. Alright, I have opened my Max scene, and in here you can see that I have two gizmos. I have the sphere gizmo, which is my fire, and I have the cycle or the cylinder gizmo, which is my smoke. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is select my fire, rendering, environment, and scroll down and choose, under atmosphere, choose the correct effects. I know that my fire is the second one, and when I scroll down you can see that the colors here are the colors in my fire, so I know I have the right thing selected, as well as right here I have sphere gizmo highlighted. Now we're going to animate this, so I want you to come down and type in 25 and turn on your auto key. So we're going to start on frame 25, and under motion I want you to set the phase to be 25 and the drift is 2. Okay, now we're going to move the time slider to frame 50, and we're going to set the phase to be 0. Just right click and the drift back to 0. Right click. Alright, now turn off the auto key. We're going to now do the same thing with the smoke. So select the smoke, come up and select the smoke or fire effect right here. I know this is smoke because my colors match, as well as it says cylinder gizmo. I know that that is my smoke. Scroll down, enter 25 for your time slider, turn on your auto key. The phase is going to be set to 25. The drift is set to 2. Move your time slider to frame 50. Right click on phase and take it back to 0. Right click on drift and take it back to 0. Turn off your auto key. Now let's render this out. And here we are only going to be rendering 50 frames. So you're going to need to check the button next to range, 0 to 50, and save it in your file. Make sure that when you're rendering here that you are rendering from the perspective viewport, and finish it out.